Hey folks, welcome back outside tonight. Beautiful day. It's a nice cold morning, but it's warm to be quite pleasant. Back outside here, gonna cook on the Char-Griller, which have not shown much love here lately. But folks, good people at Bald Buck BBQ Seasoning sent me this to try out, and I can't wait to share it with you. And I tell you what, it smells good. I've tasted a little bit. Got some salt, pepper, garlic, red pepper, some chili powders, and a few other things. I bet, Buck, buddy, the print is not very old man friendly. But guys, let's get this thing seasoned up and get her going. Hey, leave it to me to not turn the camera on when I'm doing some seasoning, but I'm finishing up here. This is, check this out. Love that logo on there. Very cool. So sorry about that, but that's what it looks like all season. Ready to go. A little bit more over here. That's all we're using. I want to taste this for what it is, and so far it smells awesome. As soon as the grill comes up to temp, we will get this on there. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
You being silly?
Yeah.
Going with this 2-zone fire that I do a lot. Mostly gonna be a hot cook though. Alright, it's time to get the show on the road here, guys. The chicken's going on. I'm gonna put this on at least for a little while. Kind of indirect over here. I don't want it over the direct heat. Going up overhead. I will grill this off, get that skin darkened up. But I want to do a couple things first. I'm gonna come in here with some, this is pecan wood. I'm gonna throw a little smoke action in on that. Close her up and let her cook. Holding around 350 degrees. I'm good with that. It might be a little bit higher because this gauge is old like the grill itself. It's been about 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna move these and I'm actually gonna flip them over. Going a little bit more direct over the heat. Take a peek here. Yeah, we're gonna need to give this thing a flip. I realized I had one not the same size as the other. Kind of got some dual action. Oh, would you look at that? We'll come back here in a few minutes and check some temperatures. This ain't gonna take that long. Yeah, we're roughly 20 or 25 minutes in. I just want to get some temperatures. We got a little ways to go here. I'm gonna turn these again. Yeah, about 120. I'm shooting for 165. This one's a little further. I might move it out towards the end. A little bit less heat down here. That's actually what I'm gonna do. As I turn these, I'm gonna flip these, do a little rotating. This guy down here over some more heat. And we're gonna go that route. Alright guys, shouldn't be that much longer. Okay, I fully expected that to flame up. I don't want to get too, well, that skin's getting a little too dark for me, so I'm just gonna flip it back over. A little darker than I wanted, but hey, it looks good. Alright, just because we're here, and let's get a little bit more on that skin than what I want. I'm gonna move these indirect. We're almost done, folks. I think it's all fine. Got good char on there, just a little bit more than what I was anticipating. Wow, that one piece of chicken right there is being so stubborn. I think we finally got it though. Yeah. Folks, we are finally there. Let's get this inside. I'm gonna get my family fed and we'll come back and do a taste test on this. I cannot wait. Check out this beautiful piece of chicken right there. Got some cheese and broccoli rice Mama whooped up real quick. Oh, it's so juicy. That is so juicy, guys. Perfect 165 on the inside, internal temps. Good chicken. Got the skin charred pretty good. Yeah, let's get a bite. I love this seasoning. I absolutely love this seasoning. Bald Buck BBQ Seasoning. I will leave a link below for the site. If I can, I'll put a little card upstairs here. So good, guys. Very tasty. There's a little bit of heat there. Not much. There's a little bit of heat. It will clear your sinuses a little bit though. One other bite, guys. I want that skin. Man, that is so good. I'm gonna try this on some ribs. I bet that's delicious on ribs. Guys, thanks so much. Guys, like I said, I'll leave a link below for Bald Buck's seasoning. Go check them out. Good stuff, guys. I highly recommend this. This is very tasty. A lot of flavor in there, guys. Thanks so much, guys. As always, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, we will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye.